Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button now. Got lots more reviews coming soon. Or if you haven't seen the review on my Bugatti Veyron, the latest one to join the collection, then please go and check it out now. I'll leave a link in the description below. The pearl blue and white one, really cool model. And a really nice addition to the AUTOart Bugatti collection, which now stands at 8 models. So 7 Veyrons and the EB110. So if I just quickly pan round for you guys, just so you can see them all line up. Now, I don't know any other collector on YouTube to have so many Veyrons. If you like Bugattis, you're definitely in the right place by AUTOart. Again, I quite like them. That's why I've kind of got pretty much all of the AUTOart models that they've ever released. I know they've done more in different colors and different specs, but I think this is pretty much all of the Veyrons that AUTOart have ever made. Again, I might be adding some more colors. I know they've got different colors in terms of the limited edition ones, but I think on the whole, this is the entire AUTOart Veyron lineup. And again, I really like them. I think they look really cool with them all lined up. Again, let me know what you think, whether you think I've just wasted money on the same model in different colors, or whether you think it's quite a cool Veyron collection. Again, I like it, so that's pretty much all that matters in my collection. I think what makes my collection a little bit more different to other collectors out there on YouTube, and certainly if you guys like Veyrons, then you're pretty much in the best place. But this one was the first model that kicked it all off, the Bugatti Veyron in black and red. Really cool model. I've had that many years. But let's take you guys through one by one, tell you a little bit more about the models and what might be coming in next by Bugatti. So the EB110, I've done a full review on this model too, so I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check that out. But again, really cool model by AUTOart Signature. Now they also did the SS as well, which is pretty rare, which I am looking to get. But this is the GT version. So again, very similar. I know the SS has got different wheels and a different kind of spec, but very similar model. And I think it, you know, as a Bugatti collector like myself, was a pretty important one to get in the collection. So yeah, I'm glad I did buy this one when I did. It came up on eBay for a good price, and yeah, decided to go for it. Now, these aren't too expensive or rare on eBay. You know, you can find them. I wanted one in blue. I know they've got other colors, but I think blue is probably the best color for Bugatti. So I decided to go ahead and get the blue GT version. So looking out for the SS, but quite content with this one for the time being. Now again, moving over to the first Veyron. So again, red and black, first one. I think this is the pre-production car, because that one is the production version. Very similar. I mean, obviously the first difference is it hasn't got the kind of the aero at the front like the red and black one has, but very similar models. Slightly different wing mirrors too. But yeah, I'll be doing a full review on this model car very soon. But I think it's really cool in the red and black. And then again, if you haven't seen the full in-depth review on this one, please go and check it out. It's a really cool model. And I'll leave a link for that too. But this is the 16.4 version in quite a unique color. So you've got the white and the blue. Don't see many on these on eBay. That's why I decided to grab one in this color spec. Pretty cool model. And yeah, I won't say too much about this. Go and check out the review, and you'll see all of the details. Now, every single one of these models opens up. They are fully open-in die-cast models by the Signature series of AUTOart. So they're pretty much all discontinued now, and your best bet to find them is on eBay or other collectors selling theirs. So they are quite rare, and they'll probably only be getting rarer as time goes on. Next is the Persong. So this is again now one of Bugatti's limited series or limited edition Veyrons that they made, and they made a run of these, which I'll go on to with the next couple of models. So pretty much exactly the same as the production version, but finished in chrome and carbon. So it's got a chrome exterior, which is pretty cool. Looks really, really nice in bright lights. And then they've got the carbon finish as well. So if I can show you guys the carbon here, which is just really cool by AUTOart how they do this. You can just about see the carbon weave running through that front bonnet. Looks really cool. Runs across over to the roof as well, and all over the engine bay. And you've got the chrome finish, which is really nice as well. Quite reflective, obviously, but just a really nice finish on the Persong. Don't see many of these. Again, the special series that Bugatti made of the Veyron, and I think it's just a really, really cool model to have. And again, very similar. Moving on, you've got the limited edition one. Now again, they've made one in red, white, blue, and they made one in, I think, a yellow as well. They made 4 colors of these. I decided to get the blue one. As I said, I think blue just suits Bugatti a lot better, and these are pretty rare now in pretty much all colors. But again, pretty much the same as the Persong, but it's got the obviously all the blue details and slightly different headlights as well. So small differences that makes a big difference when they're all put together. And I think it's just a really, really cool model, especially in the blue and the chrome. I think it works really well against one another. And having these two side by side in the cabinet is always quite a cool thing as well. So really do like the special editions of the Veyrons there. Moving on to another special edition. This is the Noir. Again, quite rare now. Don't see many of these come up in mint condition. I bought this new from AUTOart probably over 10 years ago. And again, I absolutely love this model. I think it's probably one, I think it is my favorite Veyron in the lineup. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite or which one you would take to add to your collection. But yeah, if I had to only keep one, I think it'll be this one, the Noir, just because of its rarity. I love how the bright interior contrasts against the really dark exterior. Now again, it's got the carbon finish on the front, which you guys can see. There you go. You can see all the carbon weave there, which I think is just really cool. And you've got the really bright orange interior, which just really pops against the dark exterior. And you've got the carbon roof and the carbon rear engine cover as well. So it's just a really cool model, and it just looks really nice in the cabinet. Yeah, definitely one of my favorites, that one. Really like that. And then you've got the first one on the Super Sport series. So this is fully finished in carbon fiber. So the whole exterior is finished in carbon fiber. There you go, as you guys can see. And then you've got all of these really nice light blue accents around the engine. So around the engine cover, you've got all the light blue accents. You've got the light blue lines going round. Then you've got nice touches around the interior as well. So finished in some light blue. So the seats, the center dash, really nice little touches there by AUTOart. But again, what I really like is that the whole exterior is finished in carbon fiber, and the weave on these AUTOart models is just really nice. It all lines up. It's like a resin finish almost. It's just flawless. One of my kind of favorite series by AUTOart. And then you have to get the Super Sport in the iconic spec that it broke the world record in. So I got the world record colors, the orange and the carbon Super Sport, which again I think is probably, as I say, have to get it in the Bugatti collection. Now I know AUTOart made the 1,000 piece limited edition version, I think, which this one isn't. But again, I'm looking for one of them. I think that would be kind of the cherry in the Bugatti collection if I can get my hands on one of them. But they are, as I say, pretty rare. But this one's really cool, and I'm glad I've got this one in the collection. Anyway, so you've got the full carbon finish, which is awesome, and then you've got all of the orange touches as well. So pretty much the same as this model, but without all of the blue, with the orange and the orange wheels. So really cool to have two Super Sports in the collection. And then we have three special series from Bugatti, with the Persang, the limited edition, and the Sang-Noir. And then you've got two of the kind of production cars, the pre-production car and the production car. And then you've got the iconic EB110. Now, again, I've got a few resin Bugattis. So I've got the resin Chiron, Devo, L'Aventure Noir by MR, and I've got the 300 plus Chiron Bleed on pre-order as well. So yeah, I'm a big Bugatti fan, as you can tell, and I'll be doing some more Bugatti content very, very soon. But for the meantime, as I say, let me know in the comments which Bugatti is your favorite, which one would you add to your collection, or let me know whether you think I've just kind of got the same model over and over and over again. Always interested to hear everybody's opinions in the comments. But as I say, I think it's what separates my collection from other collectors out there. I know there's a few others out there which watch the videos who are big Bugatti collectors like me, which is always nice to hear from you guys. So yeah, please comment, and please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys for some more videos very, very soon. Take care.